Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing for you, but today it's not a watch, it is some knives. And this is my buddy Art, man. He's such a great guy. I mean he's into knives, he's also into watches. I think he's more of a knife guy. I asked him for some advice on which should be my first Spyderco. And he has some thoughts, and he was like, you know what? Let me send you some Spydercos. Let me send you some watches. I keep on saying watches. Let me send you some knives, so you can make an informed decision. And I was like, man, you don't really have to do that. But he's like the best guy in the world. I mean, he's such a nice guy, and he sent me a bunch of holy cow. He sent me some. Oh man, there's more. He sent me 4 Spydercos, man. Okay, so we have here the Para3 here. Okay, okay. Then we got here. This has got to be the Para. No, the Kapara. All right. I mean, these are look. I mean, like he just takes care of stuff. I mean, this is the little native pin. Okay, and then this is the Para2. So I was in between the Para3 and the Para2 deciding. So let's go after those first. And he's got all these. Oh, this is awesome, man. Like he's the best, dude. He's okay. And so oh yeah, that's the first time on tape of me opening up a Spyderco. Awesome. Let me see if I can do that again. It's pretty slow, right? I mean, I'm gonna get there though, guys. Whoop. Wow, see that dropped off pretty good. Boop. All right. So let's put that down over here. You do it that way. Okay, now this is the Para2. Very nice. Ooh, yeah, baby. Let's see this one. Awesome. I'm getting off. I'm off camera when I do it. Sorry, guys. I just got this. I got this. I got the camera stand in the way. Wow, that's nice. Yeah, that's that's a nice that's a nice feeling. That's good. That's good. I mean, I get now why. I mean, I know nothing about knives, right? But I get why people, dig the Spyderco, man. See, I'll get faster, guys. Don't worry, I'll get faster. Okay. So let's put that up here. This is pretty good too. I'm left-handed. Oh, that's nice. See, the Para3, man. I mean, I get it why people are like it's like one of the top. I mean, both these knives are like top-rated EDC knives or top recommended EDC knives. I get it, man. You get a nice little grip on this. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, and let's move on. And this is the Kapara. Kapara. Let's open this guy up. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's awesome. Oh man, this is bananas. Oh man, I didn't want to get into knives, man. I did not want to get into knives. Um, but but I think I am. I think I'm getting it. My wife, Mrs. Legs, is not going to be happy. She is not going to be happy about this at all. That's why I have the barn. I'll keep the stuff in the barn. Oh yeah, look at this little guy. Look at that little guy. Little native. Awesome. All right. Well, I have a lot of fun set up for me playing with knives soon. So again, thank you to my buddy Art for sending this in. Thanks, guys, for the patience with this unboxing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.